so today come on my channel. Today I have good news and bad news. For good news, I'm back. Sorry for not making not making video for a long time, like 1 week. It's because of I don't know what I'm gonna make, and now I know. So the bad news is I'm gonna cut my cat eyes. Yes, if you can see on the title and the thumbnail also, you see I really sad. But I do this for you too. I'm gonna cut my cat eyes. So I'm already get the eyes. So this is the cat eyes. If you don't know, I really love cat eyes so much. Look how realistic is this. This is a cat eyes. Come here, what watch favorite fruit. So this is a cat eyes. Instead, I'm gonna cut it. Yes, I'm gonna cut it. Wipe it up. This just looks so hard. Ah! I don't know if I can cut it. Yeah, I can cut it. This is hard. I cannot cut it. But it's damaged it, but yeah, absolutely. I'm not gonna cut my cat eyes. Absolutely. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys. And this is just for fun.